So I'm going to go through finding the area of a trapezium, as quite a few of you seem to struggle with this. So we'll do question 1 first, and question 2 will be a separate video. So if we look at this first trapezium, we need to add up the parallel sides. Now that's that one, 7, and this one, 11. So it's 7 add 11. Sorry, I'm trying to draw with a mouse. And we're going to multiply that by the height. So we're going to multiply that by 6. So I can just write a 6 in the front. So it's like multiplying by brackets. And I divide all of that by 2 to get the area of a trapezium. So 7 add 11 is 18 times the 6 gives us 108. So that will be 108 divided by 2. And when we divide that by 2, you should get 54. So we'll put that one in there. If we look at this one next, this is still a trapezium, although this line seems to almost point a different way to what you might expect. You might usually expect it to look a bit more like that, but it's still a trapezium. It still satisfies the rules of a trapezium. It's got 4 sides and it's got a pair of parallel lines. Therefore, it's a trapezium. So we add up the parallel sides. That's this one and this one. So it's 4.4 plus 6.2. So we've got 4.4 plus 6.2. We've got that multiplied by the height. Now this is the height because the trapezium's on its side. So we're going to multiply that by 3.7 and we divide the whole thing by 2. Now you can put that quite carefully into your calculator. And if we put that into our calculators, we get 19.61. You can try that, see if you get the same answer. Now the last one is a bit tricky. This length here, we don't need that to find the area. It's a trick. What we need are the 2 parallel sides. So it's this one and this one. So it's 7.7 plus 9.3. We're going to multiply that by the height, which is 5.9, and divide the whole thing by 2. So again, put that into your calculator nice and carefully. So we've got 7.7 plus 9.3 times 5.9 divided by 2, and that is 50.15. And let's just check, see whether we got those right. And they're right. So that's how we do question 1. Hopefully that clears a few things up. Question 2 will be in a separate video.